Friends, today we are doing exercise 3.7, sixth question of optional exercise. Draw the graphs of equation 5x minus y equal to 5 and 3x minus y equal to 3. So first of all we have to draw the graph of these two equations, then determine the coordinate of the vertices of triangle formed by these two lines. And then we have to find the vertices of the triangle formed by equation of these two lines. So first of all we have to draw a graph for these two equations. So now our equation first is 5x minus y equal to 5. So now we are making the table x and y. We have to take minimum 3 coordinate for a good graph. So we are taking 1, 2 and the 3. First of all we are putting the value of x 2. So now putting the value of x equal to 2. So 5 multiplied by 2 minus y equal to 5. We are putting the value of x equal to 2. So now 5 to the 10 minus y equal to 5, and this y will go this side and this 5 will go this side. So 10 minus 5 equal to y. 10 minus 5 will be 5 equal to y. So the value of y is 5 when the value of x is 2. Now putting x equal to 0, we are taking x 0. So now 5 into 0 minus y equal to 5. So 5 into 0 will be 0 minus y equal to 5 and y equal to minus 5. So we are putting, if we are putting x equal to 0, then y will be minus 5. So y is minus 5. Now we are putting the value of x equal to 1. Putting the value of x equal to 1. So 5 multiplied by 1 minus y equal to 5, and this y, so 5 minus y equal to 5. Then this 5 will go this side, minus y will go this side. So 5 minus 5 will equal to plus y, and this minus this, these two out can, these two will be cancelled out. So 0 equal to y. So if the value of x is equal to 1, then y will be 0. So value of x equal to 1, y will be 0. This is our first table and we have to make the second table. Now for equation second, our second equation is 3x minus y equal to 3. Now we have to calculate 3 coordinates. So we are putting x and y, and now we have to make a box for them. So first, second and third we have to calculate 3 values. Now we are putting the value of x equal to 0. So 3 into 0 minus y equal to 3. X is 0. So now 3 into 0, 0 minus y equal to 3 and y equal to minus 3. The value of y is minus 3. Now we are putting x equal to 1. So 3 into 1 minus y equal to 3. Now 3 into 1, 3 minus y, so minus y equal to 3 minus 3 minus y equal to 0, y equal to 0. So value of y is 0 when the value of x is 1. Now we are putting the value of x equal to 2. So 3 into 2 minus y equal to 3. Now we are solving it. So 6 minus y equal to 3, and this 3 will go this side and y will go this side. 6 minus 3 equal to minus y, plus y. and 3 equal to y. So when the value of x is 2, y will be 3. So when the value of x is 2, then y will be 3. This is our second table, and this is our first table. This is our both the tables. Now we are making the graph. This is our handmade graph. Y-axis, x-axis. Now we have to put the points. So we are putting the points of first equation. The points of the first equation are 2 and 5. So there is 2 on x-axis and 5 will be on y-axis. So this will be here. These 2 points are 2, 5, 1, 0 and 0, -5. Now we are draw a line. We draw a line like this. Now we are putting the coordinates of second equation on the graph. So 0, -3. This is 0, -3, 1, 0, and this is 2, 3. Now we are drawing a line here from first, second and third coordinate. So these two are the lines, and here the triangle is not forming, here the triangle is not forming, but here the triangle is forming the first, second and the third. So 3 coordinate of triangle are in 0, -3, 0, -5, and the third 1, 1. This is 1, 1, so this will be 1, -1. This is 3. So these are the 3 coordinates of triangle formed by these two equations. Thank you.